Hello, this is Brendan from Brendan Tech Talk. Today we will see how to create a basic video in iMovie. You drop your video and other clips into the media bin. Then you drag the video clip into the timeline. And then at the top, you tap on titles and choose an appropriate title slide for the beginning. And similarly, for the end, you choose an end slide. And type whatever you need to. You can trim your videos from the beginning or from the end when your cursor turns into two arrows like that. And once you are happy with it, then you click on project on the top left corner, go to the project, click on the three dots, and then share your video. Save it as a file. That's it. Thank you very much. Hope this helps. If it helps, please do click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.